Want to snag that must-have item on Shopee without breaking the bank all at once? This video will show you exactly how to pay for your Shopee purchases in installments using your credit card in 2024. First, ensure your credit card is linked to your Shopee account. Go to the Me tab, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen, then select Account Settings and tap on Banks, Cards. From there, add your credit card details. Make sure you input all the information accurately, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Now browse Shopee and add the item you want to your cart, making sure it's eligible for installment payments €1 typically indicated on the product page. During checkout, look for the payment options section. Select credit card as your payment method if the installment option is available. It will appear below your credit card selection. Choose the installment plan that suits your budget. You'll usually see options like 3, 6, or 12 months. The monthly payment amount and any applicable interest will be clearly displayed. Review all the details carefully, including the total amount payable and the monthly installments. Click Confirm to proceed. You might be redirected to your bank's secure payment page to verify the transaction. Once verified, your order is placed, and your credit card will be charged in installments to avoid overspending. Keep track of your Shopee installment payments and your overall credit card balance regularly. Happy shopping!